Everyone says you lack discipline, that you're lazy, that you just need to wake up earlier, take cold showers, push harder. But what if the truth is different? What if the laziness you feel isn't weakness at all? What if it's your brain trying to protect you? A silent system designed to keep you exactly where you are, not because you're incapable, but because your mind hates uncertainty and change feels like danger. Think about the advice you hear every day. Wake up at 4 a.m., read 10 books a month, meditate, journal, run 5 miles before sunrise. It sounds powerful, but most people try it for a few days, then quietly stop. Not because they're weak, because they were chasing the wrong lead, like detectives following a clue that goes nowhere. Motivation was never the real answer. Discipline wasn't the missing piece either. The truth is more subtle and far more powerful. We've been searching for the solution in the wrong place. Here's the real secret. Your habits follow your identity, not your goals. Your brain cannot act in a way that contradicts who you believe you are. If deep down you see yourself as someone who struggles with discipline, your actions will quietly prove that belief true every time. It's not conscious, it's automatic. Your brain protects the identity it knows, even if that identity is holding you back. So when people say, just build better habits, they're missing the real problem. Habits don't change your identity. Identity creates your habits. Which means if you want a different life, you have to become someone different first. Not by pretending, but by slowly rewriting the story you believe about yourself. So how do you actually do that? Not with motivation, with systems. 3 simple ones. First, the 2-minute rule. When a habit feels impossible, shrink it. Reading for an hour becomes reading 1 page. Working out becomes 2 minutes of movement. Because the hardest part isn't effort, it's starting. Second, design your environment. Your surroundings shape your behavior more than willpower ever will. If your phone sits next to your bed, you'll scroll. If your book sits next to your pillow, you'll read. Your environment silently votes for the person you become every single day. Third, build a feedback loop. Track the habit, not the result. 1 check mark, 1 day at a time. Progress becomes visible. And when progress becomes visible, your brain starts believing something new. I'm the type of person who shows up. You don't need another motivational speech. You don't need someone yelling about discipline. What you need is a system that quietly works in the background. Because the person you want to become doesn't appear in one dramatic moment. They are built in small, almost invisible steps. Today is day 0. The beginning of a version of you that doesn't exist yet, but could if the system is right. So here's a question for you. What is the one habit you've tried to start 10 times and failed every time? Tell me in the comments, and I'll tell you why your environment probably killed it.